In this video, we're going to create a parcel using the manual creation method. So we're going to go ahead and go up to the Home tab of the ribbon bar, drop down in Parcels, and select the Parcel Creation Tools. In doing this, we're going to go ahead and start using a Add Fixed Line with 2 points. I'm going to select that, and what Civil 3D is going to prompt me to do is create my first initial parcel and set a site to work inside of, and assign my parcel styles and my area label styles. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to create a new site, and I'm going to call it development, and I'm going to hit apply and hit OK. And then I'm going to leave this as property, and I'm going to leave my label styles because I'm not going to automatically add segment labels. So I'm going to click OK. I'm going to click my line, and I'm going to snap in on the endpoint of this polyline that I have, and then I'm going to snap in on the end of the polyline down here. Then I'm going to click on an arc. I'm going to do a fixed curve 3 points. I'm going to snap in on the end of this. I'm going to do a midpoint of this arc, and then I'm going to do the endpoint of that arc. Then I'm going to go back to my line, and I'm going to select the endpoint, and then select the endpoint of this line. Now that I'm going to the next line, I can just click on the endpoint and move on to this other endpoint, and then select my curve again and select endpoint, midpoint, and endpoint. Then I will select my line again and choose endpoint and endpoint. And then I will hit enter to get out of that command and escape to close out the parcel creation toolbar. And if I zoom out, what you'll see here is in the center, I have a new label that is my first parcel.